A Rainscreen is defined as an assembly applied to an exterior wall, which consists of, at minimum, an outer layer, an inner layer, and a cavity between the two, sufficient for passive removal of condensate as well as bulk water penetration, like from precipitation outside the building. It's been defined as a single exterior building skin material. That's cladding. That's not a Rainscreen. That's just the facade panel. A collection of individual components aimed at functioning as a system. I affectionately call this the Frankenstein system. It's how we design our Rainscreens currently in the US. Usually the way it looks is you will have a cladding manufacturer, somebody who has a panel, you'll have somebody that makes some rails and some brackets, you'll have somebody else that makes an air and moisture barrier, and somebody else that makes some insulation, maybe somebody else to do sealants or fasteners, and you cobble them together into a completely untested system and put it up on the wall and hope that it works. And then lastly, you have, it's a building science principle. That's the one that resonates most with me. It's not 1 or 10 manufacturers. It is the philosophy of having exterior wall, interior wall, cavity between the two.